Welcome. I am Alex. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'm here this evening with a flow to help you work on your splits. Begin in a tabletop position, and we will start with 3 cat-cows. Inhale, lower the front of the belly, lift the gaze. And long exhale, press the mat away, tuck the chin. Allow these to build. Inhale, open up. Long exhale. Hey, Caesar. Tuck the tailbone, pull the core in. Once more. Long exhale. Neutral spine. Let's take the right leg back, leave the toes on the mat, and press through the calf, move back and forth, and then bring the right foot up between the hands. Hands are framing the right foot. Let's lift up so that you can draw the core in, relax the shoulders, and then soften back down. We are stretching the left hip flexor. Stay up on fingertips. You might use a prop or a block. And to add on, keep the right knee over the ankle. You will just lower the chin and draw the lower belly in. Breathe in and out through the nose as best you can. Relax your temples and bring yourself to the present moment. Press into the hands. We're going to go back to a half split. So I'm going to use a block. You can use a prop or your left foot heel. You can also sit inside of the left heel. Right foot is extended. Sit up tall. Inhale, lift the arms above your head. And fold forward over the right leg. Keep this gentle, intense, whatever you need. The right foot is flexed, or at least the toes are pointing up, and you're stretching out the back of the right leg and lengthening out the breath. Give yourself time to arrive and then gradually relax and soften and build. If you can reach your right foot, you might squeeze the foot a little bit. A gentle massage can feel nice and help to encourage blood flow. One more good breath. Place your hands on the mat, framing the right foot. Bring the block with you up to the front if you're going to use it again. We are back in a lunge. Tuck the back toes, lift the knee. Right knee is over the ankle. Inhale, lower the left knee, leave the toes tucked, draw your shoulders back. On a long exhale, press into the feet, into the hands. Try to straighten both legs. Back to a lunge. Lower the left knee and come back to a tabletop. 1 cat-cow to reset. Inhale. Lower the stomach, shoulders back. And long exhale. Press the mat away with the hands and the feet. Neutral spine. Extend your left foot back, keep the left toes on the mat, and you're stretching through the foot, through the calf, and you're pressing down into the palms to help intensify what you can get out of the foot. Left foot up between the hands. Set up a lunge, but we're going to prop up on to fingertips. Leave the back knee down. Press the shoulders away from the ears. Left knees over the ankle. And if you're going to add on, you're going to lower the chin and draw the pelvis forward. Keep the breath smooth and the same. Relax your temples, relax the jaw, bring your thoughts back to the breath. Press into the hands, walk all the way back into a half split. Use your block, your heel, or the floor under the left hip. Left leg is extended. Relax the shoulders, reach overhead and inhale. Long exhale, forward fold over the left leg. Keep the foot flexed, sole of the foot facing away from you. Notice how the breath is constricted because of the tension, because of your positioning. Do your best to smooth that out. And if you did on the right side, give your left foot a gentle massage, just squeezing the foot, encouraging blood flow through every part of the body. Press into your hands. Move your block aside, keep it nearby. Shift your weight forward into a lunge. Tuck the right toes and lift the knee. Draw in the core as the hips start to open. Inhale, lower the right knee, shoulders draw back. Exhale, pyramid pose. Try to straighten out both legs. Long exhale. Lunge. And then from here, left foot steps back. We're in a tabletop, one cat-cow. Inhale. Open the front of the body. Press down. And exhale. Draw the core in and exaggerate. Tuck the chin, the tailbone. Neutral spine somewhere in the middle. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Find some stillness, opening up the backs of the legs. Lift the right leg back and up. Point the right toes. Squeeze the right glute. Press down through the right hand. Right foot steps up between your hands. Lower the left knee. Find your half split to begin with. Walk back. Start to open up the right hamstring. And from here, you will stay here or scoot the right foot forward, the left leg back. I'm going to use a block under the right sit bone, the right hip. Find a place you can hold for just a few breaths. Soften the shoulders. Hi, Caesar. Come here. Relax your temples. Notice if the jaw is tensing. Can you relax the gaze? Smooth out the breath. If you need to soften the front leg, that's okay. You'll still probably feel it pretty deep into the hamstrings. Just a few more breaths. Even fewer if you really smooth out the inhale. Longer exhale through the nose. Hands to the mat, or press into the mat. Bring the right foot in, the left knee back. Tabletop. One cat-cow. Start to scan right to left through the body. Inhale, open up the front of your body. Long exhale, press the mat away. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Find stillness, and you're scanning the body right to left so that you can build awareness of how you can balance out and just what you feel. Left leg backing up. Point the left toe, squeeze the left glute, press into the left hand. Left foot between the hands. Find your half split. Lower the right knee. Walk the hands back. Take a moment to let the left hamstrings open up. And then find where you're going to go. Scoot your left heel forward, your right knee back. Find your prop. So sometimes I will keep the left knee or my front knee bent. And that lets me focus on other parts, like my right hip flexor, my breath. Back to the breath. In and out through the nose. Try to find stillness wherever you are. Smooth out any tensions from the shoulders, the wrists, your thoughts. Come here. If you slow down your last breath, you will be done by the time you finish exhaling. Start to release. Bring the left heel back, the right knee forward. Tabletop, try to resist extra movement right now. Just feel where you want to move and reel it in. One cat-cow. Inhale. Exhale, press the mat away, tuck the chin. Neutral spine. Make your way to a seated position. Sit up tall, shoulders down. And on an inhale, reach your arms overhead. Both arms. I'm just petting Caesar. Lift up. And on an exhale, float the hands down, twist to the right, left hand to the right knee. The right hand is a kickstand. Lift up, pull the right shoulder back, and finish and exhale. Release through center. Arms overhead. Reach up, a little more air at the end as you straighten the elbows. Long exhale, float the hands down to the left, right hand to the left. Caesar. And press down through the left hand. Left hand is your kickstand. Pull the left shoulder back. And come back through center. Reach your arms overhead. Seal the palms. Inhale, look up at your hands. Reach out of the waist. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Know that you have all that you need with you, within you, right now. This moment, you're ready. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you soon. Namaste. Namaste. Caesar says namaste. Like, subscribe, comment about how handsome Caesar is.